We open Ipython for this example. First, we will create a list with list comprehension. You can find a video on that in the description. And we'll just print out the list real quick. It goes from -20 all the way to +20. So let's create a for loop with enumerate. Enumerate will go through each value and index, so we will type those variable names here. For index value in enumerate. And we'll just print this out with index and then the value to show you how it works. And here they are. We have the index on the left side, starting with 0 here. And it goes all the way up to +40, because there's 41 numbers in this list. And the values, they start at -20, as that's the first value in the list. Notice 0 is at index 20, and it goes all the way up to +20. So there you have it. That is how you use enumerate with for loops in Python.